With no car frame around them, motorcycle racers look to their clothes for protection. One-piece suits called racing leathers provide it. They're made of padded leather, and the design is form-fitting and aerodynamic. Motorcycle racing leathers are a kind of body armor. Equipped with padding and airbags, the suit is a protective shell. It must fit the rider like a second skin. To achieve this, racing leathers are usually custom-made by a team of specialists. They take over 40 measurements as the racer assumes different poses. The pattern maker types the measurements into a computer. Special software creates a pattern for the suit. She assembles the pattern parts on the screen to ensure they match up and then sends the drawings to a printer. It prints the life-size patterns onto large sheets of thin tracing paper. A member of the team then sprays the backs of the paper patterns with adhesive. She presses the patterns onto sheets of cardboard. She cuts out the cardboard following the designs on the paper. The cardboard backing gives the patterns a more substantial structure. Before cutting the leather, they clamp a sample in an automated tool that moves it repeatedly across a piece of sandpaper. This confirms that the leather is strong enough to withstand significant abrasion. They apply graphics to the patterns to estimate the placement, and then they're ready to cut. The cutter carves into the white leather with a thin blade. He follows the lines of the pattern and leaves a generous margin. The parts will be cut more precisely later. He transfers the leather panels to a large sheet of paper stretched across the bed of a printing machine. Light glue applied to the paper keeps the leather pieces in place during printing. The printer's jets spray designs onto the parts. It uses inks that have been specially formulated for leather. The inks start to dry immediately, but they leave the printed leather to set overnight for a full cure. Next, using a hinged scissor frame, they stretch and expand an elastic fabric. A member of the team sprays adhesive onto the back of a leather panel. She presses a piece of Kevlar onto the leather, and this reinforces it. She then places the Kevlar and leather panel on the fabric that's still pulled tight in the scissor frame. She stitches the leather and Kevlar part to the stretched material, creating a ribbed pattern. She now cuts the panel to its final dimensions. The elastic fabric contracts, causing the leather to pucker into accordion-like folds. A seamstress stitches the rib panel to the back of the motorcycle racing suit. It takes over 200 parts to achieve the desired shape and fit. Some of them, like these shoulder protectors, are made of molded plastic and foam. They're designed to dissipate the force of an impact. Meanwhile, at a test station, they slam weights into a molded knee pad and measure the energy that penetrates. Now, a member of the team inserts a pair of pads into suit leg pockets and secures them with Velcro. The suit is ready for airbags. She installs them over the shoulders. She tucks the microprocessor and gas inflation canisters in the hump. This is an aerodynamic part at the back of the suit. She connects the sensors and powers up the airbags. LED lights on the sleeve illuminate, indicating that they're operational. With the leather suit complete, they sew a microfiber liner. The liner wicks sweat away from the body, making the suit cooler to wear. The racer suits up and tests the fit, and they make any final alterations. These racing leathers are now ready for the thrills and spills of the sport.